Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we're going geocaching. We've not been geocaching for quite a while, so the antique fair that we've just been to is just finished, and yeah, we've decided to go and grab some in Wetherby Village. Well, we found the first cache and it was dead easy. I can't film it because it's disco, and even just showing you the back of it would show you what it was. Well, we found it, but there's mongrels. I have a feeling that geocache isn't going to last very long. It's on a very climbable tree, and lots of kids were climbing it. After we got the cache, we had to wait for them to leave. And it's very easy to spot, like so easy to spot, you can't miss it. So yeah, I have read it's been replaced a few times. I think the cache owner needs to rethink that one. And we're at the GZ and it's somewhere here, but I haven't found the cache yet, but I have found a painted rock. No. Now that I've found the cache, I can't show you the cache, because if I show you the cache, you'll know what the cache is, because it's a disco, but I have already shown you the cache, and it wasn't the rock. Yeah, work that out. And we're here, somewhere. Again, another disco, can't show you it. Yeah. There's a recurring theme with these geocaches. But anywho, on to the next, and look. It's almost spring, look. Wow. There we go, we found another one. Nice and easy. On to the next. And whilst I was trying to get that arty-farty shot, Emma found the cache. Whoop whoop. Chicken soup. Hey! Well, unfortunately this one is going to be our last one today. One, because I'm too tired, and two, because the light's starting to fade. So yeah, let's hopefully we get this one. Don't want a DNF. Pa 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 pa. that's it. We've found it. That is our last one tonight. So there you have it. That was our little Yorkshire geocaching adventure on the first day that the clocks have been set to British summertime. So this is the start of the light nights and things like that coming, and hopefully, sorry, I have to keep looking down because it's a bit muddy. So yeah, hopefully we're going to get out more than what we have been, because when the centre's closed, it's not only been dark. So yeah, more videos to come. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.